chỉ bàyกันป้าเนี่ยนะกันถ่ายเต็มกันลากแหละอ่ะต่อไปให้กันใจเววักไม่เนี่ยอ้อ
Hey, vo inchu kan pa kan pundon ni he squash le cucumber le mo ma kan hanin ro ruk mai mai nge kan lak lo chuan tak takina I zucchini te squash te hi kan lak lo chuanin alian at dangalo om thelo chuwang chuan lak turam nualin ka sia ka han kalange so helai mai te hi la ka lo hun to hani did you see that?
Yeah. Oh, how about pepper?
Yeah, pepper. We can get that.
Let me get the squash first. In here.
Yeah. Don't push it too hard. Go
Inside.
in the stem. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. And then maybe jalapeno. The 3 of them.
3 of them. Okay.
Yeah, those are ready.
Oh yeah, these are so good.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, and the hand there's a squash right there.
Right here. Oh, sure.
Hello, liền lệ tội lúc đó có hay. Yeah. Wow. That's big too. You know, that's my cucumber.
Right here.
Yeah, down at the bottom. There's cucumber. Right here inside. Right there.
One here and one there.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So like this one right here. Okay.
Yeah, I gave some to Biaka.
Oh, did you already?
Yesterday, yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
We're gonna do the squash here. I mean, actually, that's zucchini. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, the
I
zucchini.
didn't see it.
Okay. And then we have a few squash. The
Is
one,
that
and
one
yeah,
that's small though. isn't
yeah.
it?
You need to get that. Okay, and down here, there's another one. Just
Oh, I
careful.
see.
Just careful.
กันละทัรตำโลนาอินกันช่วงก็eikhawp chuกันเนเวตัวหลอมเล่ไหมขายชิงนี่ตินไอตัวกันเนตัวหลอมเล่นี่
Okay, hon.
Oh, those tomatoes are good.
Yeah, they're getting big too. Okay, so we have jalapeno and cow horn down there. It's like a bigger cayenne pepper. See the very end,
Right here.
next to the marigold.
ตูนคุมชูก็หวานช่วงอาหารเด็ดกันกับพุ่นเจ้าเมียพุ่นตินะรินไอน์ลูกทวีกเมียไอตูอันเจมสุดอันนี้
No. There's a whole bunch there.
กันพูดดุนเดี๋ยวบอกกันยังให้ตอบแล้วมาจวนินกันป้าเนี่ยกันหันใจเว
Such a feeling's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be is now coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. I'm on the top of the world and looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. Something in the wind has learned my name, and it's telling me that things are not the same. In the leaves on the trees and the touch of the breeze, there's a pleasing sense of happiness for me. There is only one vision on my mind. When this day is through, I hope that I will find that tomorrow will be just the same for you and me. All I need will be mine if you are here. I'm on the top of the world and looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I've found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. I'm on the top of the world and looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I've found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. Yay! Thank you, honey.
Ole khate me kha karon share le chu anie kan lom em em thank you so much and God bless.